Feeling like your paycheck disappears before you can even blink? You're not alone. It's time to transform your financial habits and turn your salary into a springboard for savings and financial success. Let's dive in. Knowledge is power, right? That's especially true with your money. Use a budgeting app, a simple spreadsheet, or even just a notebook, and track your income and expenses for a month. This awareness is the first step towards positive change. Feeling overwhelmed by your spending habits? I get it. A spending detox can be a great reset button. Limit your discretionary spending for a set period, maybe a week, maybe a whole month. Focus on essentials like rent, groceries, bills, and rediscover the joy of free activities, hiking, picnics, reading. This exercise will help you identify unnecessary spending habits you can eliminate permanently. You might even find you enjoy the simpler things in life more. How many times have you said yes to something you didn't really want to do? Maybe it was an expensive dinner or drinks with friends when you were trying to save. It's time to embrace the power of no. Resist those impulse purchases. Learn to politely decline on unnecessary outings or subscriptions. Channel that money towards your savings goals or debt repayment. Let's talk about automation, one of my favorite things in the world. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account as soon as you get paid. This is called paying yourself first. Decide on an amount. Even $20 a week makes a difference, and have it automatically transferred. This ensures consistent saving and removes the temptation to spend that money. This is a classic budgeting strategy that works. Allocate your income into 3 categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. Your needs are non-negotiable: rent, groceries, utilities, transportation. Your wants are things you enjoy but could live without: dining out, entertainment, shopping. You can adjust these percentages to fit your situation, but this framework provides a good starting point. Living frugally doesn't mean sacrificing all enjoyment. It's about being smart with your money and finding alternative ways to have a good time. Explore free or low-cost entertainment options, picnics in the park, free museum admission days, game nights with friends, hiking, biking. Get creative. There are so many ways to have fun without breaking the bank. Coupons are your secret weapon to save money on things you're already buying. Utilize apps and websites like Honey, Rakuten, or Ibotta to find deals and discounts. Clip coupons from newspapers or magazines for your favorite stores. And don't forget about cashback rewards credit cards. Just be sure to pay them off in full every month. Eating out can quickly drain your budget. Challenge yourself to cook more meals at home. It's healthier, cheaper, and can be a lot of fun. Explore budget-friendly recipes online, experiment with new cuisines, and involve friends or family for a fun cooking competition. You can even meal prep on Sundays to make your weeknights easier. Those small daily expenses can add up significantly over time. That daily latte, takeout lunch, or pack of gum at the checkout. They seem insignificant in the moment, but they can easily add up to hundreds of dollars a month. Redirecting those funds towards your savings can make a big difference over time. Having a clear target is so motivating. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals for your savings. Instead of saying, "I want to save more money," try, "I want to save $5,000 for a down payment on a car in the next 2 years." Visualizing your goals will keep you on track. Remember, money boosters, transforming your financial habits takes time and effort, but you got this. Start with a few changes from this video, celebrate your milestones, and don't be discouraged by setbacks. Money Booster is here to support you every step of the way. Share your successful savings strategies and tips in the comments below. Let's inspire and learn from each other on the journey to financial success. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more money boosting tips.